Welcome. Today, we will learn how to attach documents to your emails using Outlook on your computer and on your mobile device. Let's get started. Let's start with Outlook on our computer. Open Outlook on your browser and click on New Message at the top left corner of your screen. Now, compose your email. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject line, and type your message in the body of the email. To attach a document, click on the paperclip icon at the bottom of the email composition window. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to the location of your email, select it, and click Open. You'll see the file attached at the bottom of your email. And that's it. You have successfully attached a file to your email. Now, let's move on to using the Outlook mobile app on your device. Find the Outlook app on your device. Tap on the New Email button located at the bottom right of your screen. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject line, and type your message in the body of the email. To attach a document, tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom left of your screen. You'll be given the option to choose a file from your phone, OneDrive, or any other storage services. Select the location of your document, find your file, and tap on it to attach. If you need to attach multiple documents, you might have to go back and repeat the process. Once your documents are attached, double check that everything looks good, and then click on the Send button. And that's it. You have successfully attached a document to Outlook using your device. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video useful. If so, please remember to drop us a like and follow us to stay tuned for more tutorials.